This little beauty here is the new camp oven stove, and it's a must for every caravaner. We all love a good campfire, but many national parks and caravan parks don't allow open wood fires. So just imagine on a cold winter's night, you'll be shivering unless you got one of these. What's great about the camp oven stove is it can run on heat beads, charcoal briquettes or wood. It's completely self-contained, which means it's allowed to be used in many caravan parks, most free camps, or even the backyard or the deck. It's great to keep you warm on those really cold nights, but it's also a very economical way to cook. It's got a flat top for your pot and your pan. It has an adjustable flue to let you adjust the airflow and of course the cooking temperature. It's easy to set up and packs away into itself for easy storage. But the best part, have a look in the comments to see today's unbeatable price. Every vanner should have a camp oven stove. They're just so handy.